Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has truly simplified the way we prepare eggs, the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker. We discovered this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker is all about. This versatile electric cooker can handle up to 12 hard-boiled eggs at once, poach 7 eggs, or even whip up a delicious omelet. But it doesn't stop there, it also functions as a steamer for vegetables, dumplings, and more, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the most impressive features of the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker is its built-in precision thermal sensor. This technology ensures that every egg is cooked to perfection, taking the guesswork out of boiling or poaching. Whether you prefer your eggs soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this cooker delivers consistent results every time. You can have perfectly cooked eggs in less time than it takes to boil water. How convenient is that? Another great aspect of this egg cooker is its space-saving design. The accessories for the cooker can be conveniently stored within the appliance itself, making it easy to tuck away in a cabinet or on a shelf when not in use. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited kitchen space or for anyone who simply enjoys a tidy countertop. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but the Dash Egg Cooker is designed with that in mind. The non-electric components are dishwasher-safe, ensuring a quick and easy cleanup process. This feature is a definite plus for busy households or anyone who wants to spend less time scrubbing dishes. So, who is this egg cooker suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to prepare nutritious meals for your family, or a college student needing quick and easy meal options, this cooker is ideal for you. It's also a great choice for anyone who enjoys meal prepping, as you can cook a batch of hard-boiled eggs at once and store them for snacks or salads throughout the week. Plus, if you're someone who loves hosting brunches or family gatherings, the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker can help you impress your guests with perfectly poached eggs or fluffy omelets. Let's delve into some practical use cases. Picture this: it's a busy weekday morning, and you need breakfast for the whole family. With the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker, you can prepare a dozen hard-boiled eggs in the time it takes to make toast. Or maybe you're planning a weekend brunch. Set up a poached egg station for avocado toast or a delightful omelet bar. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about those moments when you're craving a healthy side dish. Use the steaming feature to cook fresh vegetables or dumplings while your eggs are cooking. This multifunctionality makes the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker a true kitchen powerhouse that can cater to different culinary needs. In summary, the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker is not just for the egg lovers, it's a versatile tool that can help you create quick, healthy meals with ease. With its user-friendly design, precision cooking capabilities, and easy cleanup, it's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.